In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable comments on LifterLMS courses, memberships, and lessons in the new Gutenberg editor. So as you can see here, I have this area to leave or apply on my course, and I think it's on there by default. I think it's on there by default in memberships and lessons as well. But I'll show you how you can disable that. It's going to be the same process with all three post types. But what I'm going to want to do first is head to Edit Course at the top of the screen there. I can also go through to the WP Admin Courses and edit. This is just a faster way to get there from the front end. All right, let's let this load up here. And what we'll want to find now is the options on the side here under Document. And if you don't see these settings, you can always click on this gear icon at the top and that'll pop them open. And once you're here, what we'll want to do is head down to Discussion, and then it's currently checked Allow Comments. I'll want to uncheck that and update it. And then I'll head back to View the Course. Changes are not saved yet. Let's let that finish up, and then head to View Course. And now that comment area should be gone at the bottom. And so that's going to work the same for LifterLMS lessons and memberships. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.